Okay, still that beautiful April day, and we're on to the third of the 5 sewing machines from the big surprise batch. This is a Singer Stylist 833, and take our needle out. Needle looks like it's in good shape, so that's nice. This is a top load machine with a plastic bobbin, so we'll pop that out. This might be 15J, it looks like. It's got the curved top and bottom, and it's, yep, this must be a 15J. But let's see now, where is... this is just a pull-out plate. Pop our needle plate out, and look at that. Again, we'll take out the presser foot. I'm gonna get this camera nice and close. There we go. See all this filth? If you've got a machine, make sure you are pulling out your needle plate and getting all of that lint and stuff from underneath your presser foot and your feed dogs. That is all stuff that's going to stop this machine from working properly. So all right. Realize since I'm got the camera in here so close, let's see. I don't know how to pop this thing out, so we'll just leave it in place. But that turns and that loosens. Here is our bobbin case. It is pretty dirty, so we'll give that a little brush. And then there. Look at that big wad of lint. That whole wad of lint was up in behind that bobbin case and up under the bobbin case. So turning this by hand, and it is lumpy. Alright, well, got our bobbin case out, so we'll make sure to get plenty of oil under our hook race and in the gears there. And then we'll see what happens when we get this back together. Alright, so we've cleaned our our bobbin case, so we can set it back in place, and it requires Moving this finger back. And turning that finger back, and that rattles around in there just enough. I bet that it should have clearance. And we will get our feed dogs down. There. Our plate back in place. Okay, now, never worked on one of these before, so that is the wad of lint that stuff that was underneath the plate and bobbin, and it looks like there is a screw right here on the end here. So we'll pop that screw off. Finding the exact size screw driver is always a challenge. This one is a brown one that says Singer on the side, so maybe it is a screwdriver that fits this, or that was supposed to come with this machine. But we'll get the plastic cover off, and nice big dial for presser foot, and we'll just put a dab of oil there's a felt washer on the needle bar here to help hold lubrication for it and clean it. That's nice. I don't know anything about this machine, so I grew up with a Viking and I just fix what I come across. So looks like there's a screw here on top. Yep. An incredibly tight screw on top. That's never a great sign, because this machine definitely should be getting opened and oiled. Okay, let's take a look in the top. Alright, got an oil hole for the main shaft. The top is the easiest way to access the take-up arm, linkages. That spot moved. And that, which I thought would move, does move, so we'll just make sure we got that, and then the other end of the main shaft on the top here. Okay. Now, I think that is all the oiling to do up top here. So, we'll put our top back on. I'm going to get the end piece back on and look for some more oil spots in case there are any more. I need to find a way to get down into the bottom end of the machine. Alright, bottom of the machine. Big metal plate. With a screw that is incredibly tight, so it was either over tightened or has never been opened. And there we go. Alright. We just need to get a dab of oil on this rotary shaft and that rocker there. All right. We'll just put that back in place.